After removing the processor, I found the problem. The problem is in here. Here is a burnout component. For this cause, the monitor is not showing, the output is not coming from the motherboard. Here is the issue. The component on this side is burnout. This is the cause for not starting, not showing any, for not showing any display. This is the cause. So now I have to remove the motherboard and I have to replace it. If I can replace this component, or if I can replace it, then this motherboard will work again. So now I have to replace it right now. This is the cause for the problem I was faced. This is the component which is burned out. That's why the motherboard is not showing any output in the monitor.